హుషారుగా రుషికొండలో స్పీడ్ బోట్ల సందడి. పర్యాటకులు సేద తీరేందుకు ఉల్లాసంగా కాలక్షేపం చేసేందుకు రుషికొండ సాగర తీరంలో ఏర్పాటు చేసిన బోటు షికార్ విశేష ఆదరణ పొందుతుంది. విశాఖ సాగర తీరంలో భద్రతా పరంగా రుషికొండ అనువైన చోటు కావడంతో ఏపీటీడీసీ ఇక్కడ బోటింగ్ సౌకర్యాన్ని కల్పించింది.
Family, friends, enjoying a lot. I come here for 4 days. Already two days are over. Now we are enjoying. The beaches are good and well maintained, and tourists are good actually. And we had been to restaurant. It was good actually. Biryani is good.
Vizag is good. We are enjoying our trip. We had come here for holidays and beaches are good. Food is great and well maintained city, clean city. Accommodations are better provided everywhere. We have good hotels here to come and stay. So we are enjoying our trip. It's good here. They take for a long drive and they can enjoy one of the best boat drives in East Coast here.
It's a quite amazing feeling and awesome experience. It is my first experience and it is pretty well. And I am enjoying with my friends. Nice holidays. Good weekend also. I am from Rajasthan, Karoli, Rajasthan. Not holidays pretty well, and there is no such water in Rajasthan, so I am just enjoying the moment and just with all friends.
Actually, I belong to Vizag, but it is the first time I came here. It is a very nice experience. He gave me a very nice experience, this guy. Almost 300 meters, I think so. 300 meters. At that point, after that green flag, the tides will be starting. The big tides will be. So we went for surf tiding for 2 times. It was an awesome experience for me. From Hyderabad, I came with my team.
Please subscribe to Visakhvision. Thank you.